Welcome to Fanatic Hobbies. My name is Paul. Today, what we're going to be reviewing is how to do a super simple Damascus pattern effect on a sword. There is already a great tutorial by Juan Hidalgo, but it requires a lot of skill, so I tried my own way to simplify the whole process and I got to this. This mini that you're seeing right now, so it's super easy. We are going to learn how to paint this pattern and we're going to review it together, step by step. I'm going to put all the colors, everything, so don't worry. First, we have to start by painting the whole sword, giving it a base coat with German gray, but you can use any other color. You can use a gray that has a little bit of blue, you can use a gray that has a little bit of green, purple, it's all good. I use German gray, but you can use any other. Then with Ice Blue by Vallejo, I'm trying to mimic a Damascus pattern with my level of skill. Everybody has its own level of skill. Juan Hidalgo has the pulse of a god and he can do those lines. For now, I can't, I will keep trying, but this is what I can master right now. So do it at your own level, try to do them as fine and thin as you can, and if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can fix them later. Now the next step is to use the base coat color and draw between the lines. So if one of those lines ended up touching another or too thick, you can try to fix them right now and take your time. The next step that we're going to be doing is highlighting some of the lines that we did. We could use ice blue again, or even we can mix the ice blue with a little bit of white, like on a ratio of 3:1. I didn't do it, I just used the same color, but know that you can do so. You can do some edge highlighting on the sword, and you can do glazing to increase the luminosity on some part of the sword, but don't worry, because you are going to be using a metallic. And the metallic will already provide some shine depending on where the light comes from. So you're covered on that. It doesn't really need that effect. On its own, it's already very good. And after that, we use a washed metallic. I have a color that it's called Natural Steel from Vallejo. It has terrible coverage. I never use that color because I never know what to use it for. But I tried it here and it ended up looking great. So we can do exactly the same. If you don't have a color that has bad coverage, just dilute it with water. But know that you shouldn't use a lot of water in metallics because it tears everything apart. What you can do to test this, if you're afraid of messing up the paint, is draw your nail. It looks like I'm kidding, but I'm not. Use the base coat on your nail, then draw some lines on top of that base coat, and then use the wash down silver on top of that. If you still see the lines, that's great. If you don't, okay, you add a little bit more of water. And that's it. That's all that you have to do to achieve this level of detail. Is this a Golden Demon Award winner? No, of course not. Does it look cool? Yes, it does. Is it like a general? No, it's a regular miniature, so it's completely fine. This is a great rule for everything. Not all minis have to be up to the higher standard. Because if you do it like that, you're going to get tired before you finish your whole army. If you have any questions, just let me know on the comment section. I will answer each and every one of your comments because I've just started and I don't have a lot of comments. So of course you're going to get an answer for me. And for the next video, we're going to be reviewing how to do this non-metallic effect. Here on the elbow spike, it is supposed to be blended and glazed and smooth out the transitions. I don't do it because I like this kind of cartoonish effect, but know that you are supposed to. And I'm just starting, so I would really appreciate your support by subscribing and liking this video. You know, it's free, and if you ever change your mind, you can always unsubscribe. But give me a chance. Thank you very much. See you on the next video, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.